how to reverse money from Capitec application. First things first is you have to download the application through Play Store. After that, you log into your account, and once you logged in, you'll be able to see this kind of dashboard. So upon logging in, what you need to do is to click or to press on the transact button. Now, upon clicking that, you need to scroll down and find debit orders. You need to click debit orders. Once you click debit orders, you will be rerouted to this page. So this page indicates all your previous transactions or your transactions history. So just click on a specific number or a specific file you wanted to be reversed. For example, AFB and bank. You just have to click on that and click stop payment. So that is how you reverse money from Capitec application.